Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Szechuan-Style Green Beans. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Going to prepare the Szechuan mixture. We take 1/4 cup of tamari, 2 tablespoons of ginger root, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of ground Szechuan peppers, 1/2 teaspoon each of hot chili flakes and freshly ground pepper. Then whisk together until it looks pretty. Place a large frying pan on medium-high heat. 1/4 cup of vegetable broth and let it heat up. Once hot, going to add 1/2 cup of chopped onions. Let cook for about 5 minutes. Let the broth cook off so the onions can brown, but add a little water if they begin to stick. If they become too dry, the onions may burn. Add a little water. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon each of Bragg seasoning, dried mushroom powder, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce or vegan Worcestershire sauce. Stir. Add a little water if needed. Let cook for a minute or two. Now we're going to add 4 cups of green beans. Stir until well coated. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Stir. Cover, and we're going to let cook for 2 to 4 minutes. After another minute, remove the lid. Now we're going to add our Szechuan mixture. Toss the beans and let it cook for a couple of minutes. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.